Hey Canada, it's Cami D and I'm back because guess what? I just found out that my complete airtime was on mute. So I'm counting on Mr. JT to let me know here on text message if he could hear me so that doesn't happen again. Wow, I can't believe that just happened. I did a complete boxing, unveiling, and it completely was unheard. So I apologize for that, but I'm going to keep it really transparent. And I'll just tell you right off the bat, we're going to have a half unboxed, re-unboxing of the holiday gifts. So JT, if you're out there, let me know if we're good to go. You can hear me. All right, I think I'm going to assume that you can. All right, so hope everyone's doing well. This is try number 2. We're having a lot of fun because, again, in complete dork style, Cami just messed that up a little bit. But again, Canada, thanks again so much for supporting local. I mean, our restaurants and our retail shops need us so much. And this is such a wonderful time of the year. I'm such a big kid. If you know me, I love to have fun and I love to, help out where I can too. I think it's really, really important to give back when you can. So let's get started. To my right or left, I'm not sure what view you're seeing. You'll see a screen. That's us on Instagram. It has a lot of amazing ideas for, holiday shopping. If you're looking for a local gift or even gift cards for local restaurants, they'd love to have you guys in or do takeout. So feel free to check us out. A lot of different, recommendations there. And let's get started. So the first local company, it's called Cala Naturals. And again, I already opened it up, but I'm going to reopen it for you guys. They're called Cala Naturals. And, I came across them through the discovery of when we started this whole Pop TV and Pop Ticker initiative to, support local Canada. And man, oh man, does it smell nice in here because, wow, like what they do is natural organic soaps. I mean, it doesn't get better than this. Like, I mean, take a look at the beautiful, here, let me just show you. Oh, like, look how cute this is. It's a beautiful, snowflake and it's and it's just smells so good again. And it's just, again, it's organic and it's natural. And again, if some of you don't know that I have really, really sensitive skin. So, I was really, really angry about, I think it was 10, 15 years ago when I had to throw out all my expensive perfumes because I couldn't, I was allergic to it. My face would swell up and I'd get all kinds of, like, I won't get into the horror details, but it's so nice to kind of rediscover some cool products like this that I can actually, put on my skin and it feels really nice. So that's Vanilla Vortex and it smells so good. We have Festive Spirit, and this is like, look at that. It even has the batch numbers on it. Come on, like that's so sweet. It's so, like, again, handcrafted and in small batches. It's really good stuff. Smells so good. We have, again, these beautiful stars. It's called Starry Night with cedar, wood, and eucalyptus. Oh, smells so delicious. And again, I had to throw out a lot of my creams as well because a lot of the creams had a lot of like strong perfumes, but this one again is a natural one and it's so fluffy and it smells great and it's a vanilla lavender, so smells great. And that's, yeah, a lot of the different scents that you're able to see. So thank you, Cala Naturals, and all this nice, beautiful, fluffy stuff we have here. So check them out. They're on calanaturals.com and love your packaging. It's all paper, so it's great for the environment as well. Thank you, BJ Stewart. She's the soap chef. She makes everything by hand, so thank you for that. And next up, we have, and by the way, they're from Maple, Ontario, and that's really, really cool. I mean, I love the fact that there's a town in Canada called Maple. Super cool. And again, because I kind of unboxed it, but nobody heard me, so I had to redo it. So this is the box that came in. It's from Vintage Apparel Company. They're based in Whitby, Ontario. So that's really, really cool. If you haven't been to Whitby, it's actually really nice. And so I got this really cute hat that they threw in, which is so sweet. Thank you, Vintage Apparel. Look at that. I love toques. That's really cute. And again, a lot of you know that I love to dance. If you get me on the dance floor, good luck getting me off because that won't happen. So I got this custom hoodie, my dance hoodie, and I got one in blue. I love it. And I got another one in a beautiful purple. And I love Vintage Apparel Company, and I'll tell you why, because you can get a hoodie in any color and you can get pretty much anything written on it. And they have some really good ones, like they have my wine hoodie, my cottage hoodie, oh my gosh, like my patio deck hoodie, like everything. And I thought it was really cool because you'll notice there's a date there, and they actually research, like for dance, for example, it's since 3300 BC. Like they put a lot of research into sort of framing some historical dates to sort of the hoodie, like whether it's dance or something else. And this one is for all the craft beer drinkers or just anyone who loves beer. Check this out. My beer hoodie. Look at that. Isn't that fun? That's not for me. I'm not a beer drinker, but Raj is, so that's for him. And 5000 BC, folks. So yeah, humans have been having a pint or two for a good while. So there you go, super soft, and you can get anything written on it, whether it's for yourself or for your friends or fam. Check them out. There's so much local, amazing things to discover. And the last one that I got, this one's for me as well, actually, because the soaps are for me as well. I love to cook. I'm a home chef, and I've been checking this brand out, Beaver Rub by Haupy's, and they have a lot of different flavors. They have spicy, they have their original and a maple-esque one, which is really, really nice. And I've been cooking up with that. Actually, I made pulled pork yesterday. I did half on the barbecue, half in the slow cooker. It turned out really, really good. I've also used it on butter chicken. It's the Indo in me, and we do some Indian cooking once in a good while. And you can really put it in anything, even grilled veggies or stir fry too. So shout out to Beaver Rub out from Kelowna, BC, way out west. So again, Canada, from coast to coast to coast, keep supporting local, and thank you. I also wanted to close off this sort of Pop TV message by saying thank you to our community here on Support Local Canada. Thank you for following us on Twitter and Instagram. It means so much to me. Again, we're a community driven. I mean, it's me and a few volunteers that run this initiative, all in support to really help out our struggling restaurants and shops throughout this really, really difficult time. So really appreciate the support in terms of growing this movement and bringing the spotlight back to local. And, so hope you'll shop and support. To our restaurants and small businesses, hang in there. We feel for you. We support you. Thank you for all the, culture and smiles and customer service and warmth and just community service that you bring to every city. Again, I like to say the heart and soul of every city is all about local and community. So thank you to our businesses out there. Lastly, I know it's been a really, really tough year, mentally, physically, it's been tough, for our retail clients as well as just, us as a community. This year or for the year coming up, I can only wish that, it's one of health. It's one of, really making a more positive leaps when it comes to humanity, caring more, being kind more, being understanding of one another, and I think a lot of that's driven by locals. So that's my wishes to you and your family, and from ours to yours. Have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have a very Happy New Year. Talk to you soon in 2021. Take care, everybody, and have a good night.